All right, we're into the month of August now, and
you
it
believe
sure
it?
feels like it.
Yep, the tropics are quiet. That's a
That's
good
good,
thing.
yeah.
That's good. We like that.
We're on the cloudy side of our shift between clear skies and cloudy skies right now, which is a good thing. Kind of filters out the sun, but it is humid outside. If you look in the interior of the state, you can see a lot of clouds and even some dark winds because there were some thunderstorms to the east of Lakewood Ranch earlier today over in Highlands County, Polk and Hardy County, and DeSoto as well. Brought local cooling, but as far as we're concerned, it is still warm. 87 at the airport, 77 the dew point. That is just really muggy. Humidity up there at 72% with a southwest wind at 9 miles per hour. Our high this afternoon, 89, pretty close to normal, right on the money for normal last night. The record high, 101 degrees when I did the weather here back in 1972 on the state. I like to brag about that. I'm proud to have been here that long, off and on. 97 at Longboat Key, the heat index. If you were watching about an hour ago, the rain cooling, the heat index was in the 70s, but the storms are gone. The sun came back out, and boy, it is sultry even in the interior parts of our viewing area right now. You can see the cloudiness with that southerly flow over the state. And here is that one cluster of storms that came up from the south that just doused Arcadia and most of DeSoto County. Now moving on to the north, we could see some more storms coming up from the south tonight. High pressure is in control. That Bermuda high has been very strong, controlling our weather pattern. High pressure in control over most of the country, and it's not all that hot in the heartland. The heat that they had a week or so ago has shifted down to the desert southwest, where it is just blistering. 108 in Las Vegas, 107 at Phoenix. And because there's not an hourly reporting station at Death Valley, we're not seeing the black contour that would be there because it's over 120. Last week, they had 127 degrees for the high temperature 4 days in a row. Death Valley is having its hottest month they've ever experienced. Now, last week, Japan reported a high temperature of 104 degrees, the hottest that country had ever seen. Yesterday, Seoul, South Korea was 105, the hottest that country has ever seen. And the prediction for the Iberian Peninsula around Spain and Portugal in this area is for temperatures to be between 122 and 120 by Thursday or Friday. That is the hottest weather that Europe has ever had, or will have ever had if that happens. A very hot planet this summer right around the northern hemisphere. So we can be thankful that we have some clouds filtering out the sunshine and the heat for us, but the humidity is still there. We'll have scattered thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon as well, off and on for the next couple of days as the winds will surely shift to the southeast. Now, not a great day at the beach as we heard because of red tide, but southeast winds and the open water to southwest in the afternoon 10 knots, seas 2 feet, bay and inland waters will have a light chop. Here's my 7-day outlook, and it shows that really not a lot of change other than I think we may have some more sunshine as we move into the weekend. And certainly by the early part of next week with a 50 to 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms and highs pretty close to seasonal normal or a degree or two warmer than that as we move into the weekend, and temperatures in the mid-70s right where we should be. That's our hot, blistering global weather story.